Yeah, it's a good one. It's a good one. The training procedure was okay. The facilitators, they pay attention to request of the attendees at every point of request. And the facilitator doesn't look way down whenever questions comes up or whenever the need arises to go back to whatever they have mentioned in the past, which is a good one. It is a good plus for us. Yeah, satisfactory. Excellent. That's what I will say. Because if you don't have the idea, because by the time you are running us through the training, I'm very sure some other things comes to mind during the training, which you yourself you like to share with the attendees. So it's a the approach is good from the facilitators.